Have you ever wondered if WhatsApp Meta AI could be your ticket to earning money online from the comfort of your home without any upfront investment? And more importantly, do you feel like the methods you've encountered so far just haven't clicked due to technical barriers? Well, worry not. In this video, we're diving straight into the realm of online earning through WhatsApp Meta AI, unlocking its potential for you. But before we continue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real strategies that hone your skills and boost your income. In today's ever-evolving technological landscape, the dawn of artificial intelligence has ushered in a new era of innovation and opportunity. From the pioneering efforts of OpenAI's ChatGPT to the transformative capabilities of Google's Bard, now rebranded as Gemini, and Microsoft's groundbreaking Bing, the AI revolution is in full swing. But wait, there's more. Enter Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp's Meta AI, the latest addition to the AI arsenal, poised to revolutionize the way we interact and engage with technology. But what sets these AI tools apart isn't just their ability to streamline tasks or provide quick answers to our queries. No, they represent something much greater: a gateway to untapped potential and unprecedented opportunities for online earning. That's right, folks. In this digital age, where adaptability and innovation reign supreme, harnessing the power of AI isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for survival in the competitive landscape of the online world. Gone are the days when AI was merely a buzzword tossed around by tech enthusiasts. Today, it's a driving force behind a myriad of income-generating possibilities, from chatbots automating customer service to algorithms predicting market trends with uncanny accuracy. With the rise of AI, the traditional boundaries of earning have been shattered, paving the way for a new wave of digital entrepreneurs to thrive in the ever-expanding online marketplace. So, as we navigate this brave new world of AI-driven innovation, let's not just marvel at the wonders of technology. Let's seize the opportunity to carve out our own path to success, leveraging the power of AI to unlock new realms of possibility and prosperity. After all, in a world where change is the only constant, embracing the transformative potential of AI is not just a choice. It's a strategic imperative for those who dare to dream big and aim high in the digital frontier. Let's face it, the days of traditional job roles are numbered, but fear not, because with every door that closes, another one opens. And guess what's waiting behind that door? A whole array of AI-based opportunities just waiting for you to seize them. But here's the catch. You've got to be clued in on all things AI if you want to stay ahead of the curve. So, if you haven't already, it's time to update your Messenger app and unlock the power of Meta AI on WhatsApp. Once you've got that sorted, brace yourself for a world of possibilities at your fingertips. With Meta AI, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're chatting directly on your phone or firing it up on your trusty laptop or desktop. And here's the cherry on top. It's as simple as heading over to metaai.com and firing away your queries. Need answers? Meta AI's got your back with prompt and precise responses. Let's dive into the practical side of things. Say you're curious about who founded Pakistan. Well, with Meta AI, finding answers is a breeze. Just throw in your question, and voila, you've got your answer. Easy peasy, right? But now, let's shift gears and talk about the real meat of this video: how to turn Meta AI into your very own money-making machine. So buckle up as we delve into not one, not two, but 4 to 5 foolproof methods to earn some serious cash using Meta AI. But hey, before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about the pitfalls you need to steer clear of. Trust me, avoiding these missteps can make all the difference. And here's the kicker. I'll even hook you up with dedicated websites where you can cash out your earnings, whether you're in Pakistan or beyond. But first up on our earning journey is method number 1, the world of stock images. It's simpler than you think. All you need is a knack for what I like to call prompt engineering. Think of it like this. To get a masterpiece, you've got to feed the machine the right ingredients. It's all about asking the right questions. So when it comes to crafting stock images, your input is key. So here you can see that the code has been generated properly. If you want detailed, all right, folks. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of prompt engineering, don't forget to drop a comment below this video. But now, let's shift gears and talk about turning those images into cold, hard cash. Picture this. You've created some stunning visuals using Meta AI, And now it's time to cash in on your creativity. So grab your laptop because I'm about to show you the ropes. And don't worry, everything I demonstrate on the laptop can easily be replicated on your mobile device. It's all about versatility, folks. Now, after you've whipped up those eye-catching images, it's time to monetize them. First stop, freepik.com, a powerhouse platform where you can sell your content with ease. Simply head to the bottom of the page, click on Become a Contributor, and set up your account. With a whopping 92.2 million monthly visitors, you're tapping into a massive audience. Plus, withdrawal options like PayPal and bank transfers make cashing out a breeze. But for my fellow Pakistanis, Payoneer is the way to go, offering direct withdrawals to Jazz Cash. And if you're hungry for more earning opportunities, look no further than stock.adobe.com. With a minimum withdrawal threshold of $25 and a commission of 33% on every sale, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Plus, with 37.5 million monthly visitors, you're sure to attract some serious buyers. Last but not least, don't sleep on Shutterstock. With withdrawal options including Payoneer, Skrill, and PayPal, and a monthly traffic of 67.2 million, it's another lucrative avenue for your creative endeavors. But wait, there's more. I'm about to unveil method number 2, where you can rake in thousands of dollars monthly using Meta AI to create killer YouTube content. But remember, don't miss out on the crucial steps, or your channel won't be monetized. So whether you're into showcasing the top 10 movies, richest people, or breathtaking destinations, the possibilities are endless, and the audience is hungry for content. Let's dive into some technicalities crucial for channel monetization. Picture this. You're running a cooking channel and you need top-notch content. Cue Meta AI, swooping in with the perfect recipe for biryani, complete with ingredients and instructions. But here's the catch. When it comes to monetization, originality is key. So while Meta AI can be your content powerhouse, make sure to add your personal touch. Remember, your voice is your golden ticket to channel success. Now, what if you prefer to stay behind the scenes? No worries, there's a workaround. You can source stock images or videos from platforms like pixel.com or mixkit.com, ensuring zero copyright issues. Alternatively, let Meta AI work its magic to create custom images for you. Just remember, your voice remains the star of the show. And for those considering a history channel, here's a golden nugget. Leverage Meta AI for content. Add your commentary and watch those views roll in. Moving on to method number 3, blogging. Sure, Meta AI can whip up a blog in a snap, but hold your horses. Plagiarism is a big no-no in the blogging world. That's where tools like www.doublechecker.com come in handy. Simply paste your blog, check for plagiarism, and tweak as needed. Need a fresh spin? Head over to quillbot.com for some paraphrasing magic. Once your content is squeaky clean, it's time to publish. Whether on Blogger or your own website, monetization avenues like AdSense await your unique plagiarism-free content. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about earning methods number 4 and 5, article writing and content writing. With Meta AI by your side, crafting engaging articles and compelling content has never been easier. And once you've polished your pieces, it's time to cash in. With a little elbow grease and determination, you'll soon be raking in the rewards of your hard work in the world of article and content writing. As we wrap up this video, let me leave you with one final question. What will you create with the power of Meta AI? Leave your comments down below. So don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And be sure to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tips, tricks, and strategies for success. Thanks for watching, and until next time. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.